Welcome to Sharad V More English School online lecture. Good morning, student. In practice set 4.3, we have completed the first, second, and third question of question number 2. Now we have to solve the question number 4. Now see the question: b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. Okay. Now here a and b is equals to a upon b is equals to 3 upon 5. So from a upon b we had to start and we had to convert into the b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. Okay, so now let's see the solution. Okay, so we have to solve the fourth one. It is b cube minus 2a cube, b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. Okay, b cube minus 2 b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube is equals to question mark. Now see the solution. A upon b is equals to a upon b is equals to 3 upon 5. B cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. So a upon b is equals to 3 upon 5. Okay. Now yes, there is a cube and there is b cube. A cube and b cube. So now yes, here we will do the cubing. So therefore a cube upon b cube is equals to cube of 3 upon cube of 5. Okay, so cubing on both sides. So therefore a cube upon b cube is equals to cube of 3 is equals to 27. Cube of 5, cube of 5, 125. Okay, cube of 5 is means 5 into 5 is equals to 5 by 25, 25 by 125. Okay, now yes, before a cube there is 2. Okay, so here we want the 2. यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए? 2 चाहिए. So now yes, multiplying a cube upon b cube by the 2. Okay, multiplying a cube into 2 upon b cube. So here also we will multiply the numerator. 2 into 27. So this will become 2a cube 54 upon 125. Okay, so a cube upon b cube. So here we have multiplied 2 into a cube upon b cube. Now see, there is componendo and dividend. Yes, there is b cube minus 2a cube. So here we have to take the invertendo first. Okay, so now by invertendo, because we want the b cube first, क्या चाहिए हम लोगों को? b cube first चाहिए. तो therefore b cube upon 2a cube is equals to 125 upon 54 by inverse tendo by invertendo. B cube upon 2a cube. Now componendo dividendo. By componendo b cube plus 2a cube upon b cube minus 2a cube is equals to 125 plus 54 upon 125 minus 54 by componendo dividendo. Okay, so this is equals to okay 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 4 9, 5 to 7 1, 5 minus 4 1, 12 minus 5, 5 minus 4 1, 12 minus 5 7, it is 71. Now here in the question so there is b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. Now yes, b cube minus 2a cube in the denominator, but we want it into the numerator, so here we will do the invertendo. अब इसका क्या करेंगे, इन्वर्टेंडो. तो नाउ देयरफॉर b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube is equals to 71 upon 179. Okay, okay, understood. Now see the question number 3. Okay, question number 3 देखना है अभी. Question number 3. If 3a plus 7b is equals to 4 upon 3, 3a minus 7b, then find the value of the ratio 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square. Okay, if 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b 4 upon 3, then find the value of the ratio 3a square minus 7b square. So here we want the a square minus 7b square. तो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए अपॉन बी. क्या चाहिए हम लोगों को, वैल्यू ऑफ ए अपॉन बी. वंस वी गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ 1 अपॉन बी, वी कैन कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू दिस रेशो. तो हम लोग इस रेशो में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो नाउ स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is equals to 4 upon 3. Okay, so now yes, do componendo dividendo. So 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b upon 3a plus 7b minus 3a minus 7b. So this is equals to 4 plus 3, 4 minus 3 by componendo by componendo dividendo. Okay, by componendo dividendo. So therefore, now see 3a plus 3a. So this will become 6a, and this 7b minus 7b plus and minus 7b will become 0. So these two get cancelled. Okay, means they will get become 0. Now see, open the bracket. So here 3a plus 7b. Now this is the plus 3a, so yes, minus, this will become minus 3a, and this is the minus 7b, so this will become the plus 7b, because minus into minus will become 7, and here 4 plus 3 is equals to 7, 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So therefore 6a upon, now here 3a and 3a will become 0. So 7 plus 7, 7, 7 become 14 is equals to 7 upon 1. Now bring this 6 on the right hand side. So 7 upon 1. So this will go in the denominator and 14 will go in the numerator. Okay. Now see student, a upon b is equals to, a upon b is equals to, now 6 and 14 are divisible by 2. So 2 3 is 6, 2 7 is 14. So this is equals to 7 7 is 49, 49 upon 3. क्या मिल गया हम लोगों को? 49 upon 3 मिला. Okay. Now here the ratio is 3a square minus 7b square. So here we want the square of a and 3 before it. Here we want the b square and before there 7. So here now is squaring on both sides. Okay. So here we will square it, a square upon b square. So here it will be square of 49 upon square of 3, because in the expression 3a square minus 7b, so there is square on a. Okay. So now here write down squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. Okay. So this is equals to a square upon b square. This is equals to now square of 49. So 49 into 49. 9 9 ja 81. Carry 8. 9 4 ja 36. 36 and 8. 44. 4 9 ja 36. Carry 3. Carry 3. 4 4 ja 16. 16 and 3. 19. 1. 6 plus 4 10. Carry 1. 9 or 10 or carry 1, 14. So this is the 2401, 2401, and square of 3 is 9. Square of 3 is 9. Okay. So now you got the value of a square upon b square, but in the expression that we want to find out, there is 3 before a and there is 7 before the b square. So here we will multiply with 2 upon 7. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 2 upon 7 से. Okay. Now 3a square upon 7b square is equals to, okay, 3 into 2401 upon 7 into 9. Okay, multiplying both sides by multiplying both sides by 3 upon 7. Okay. So this is equals to 3a square upon 7b square. Okay. 3 1 ja 3, 3 0 ja 0, 3 4 ja 12, carry 1, 3 2 ja 6 or carry 1 7, and 7 9 ja 63. Okay. Now see, in the expression there is 3a square minus 7b square and 3a square plus 7b square. So here we will do the componendo dividendo. 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square. So this is equals to 7203 plus 63 upon 7203 minus 63. So therefore 3a square minus plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square is equals to 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. So 7266, and here 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. 10 minus 6 is equals to 4. So here what will left 1. Okay, now see 3a square plus 7b is in denominator and 3a square minus 7b it is in numerator. So now do the invertendo. So a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square is equals to 7140 upon 7266 by invertendo. By invertendo. Understood? Okay. So now we solve the question number 3 also. Now yes, we have to see the question 4. अब क्या देखना है? Question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. Solve the following. Solve the following equations. Okay. Now yes, ratios are given in the form of equation. Equation के form में. Okay. So now see the first one. X square plus 12x minus 20 upon 3x minus 5. This is equals to x square plus 8x plus 12 upon 2x plus 3. Okay, solve the following equation. अब क्या है इक्वेशन? x स्क्वायर प्लस 12x माइनस 20 अपॉन 3x माइनस 5 इज इक्वल्स टू x स्क्वायर प्लस 8x प्लस 12 अपॉन 2x प्लस 3. तो हियर सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. अगर सॉल्व करने बोला है एंड वेरिएबल इज x हियर, तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी हियर. ओके, okay, now see x square plus 12x minus 20 upon 3x minus 5. Okay, now yes, this is the 3x and here it is 12x and it is 5. So here it is 20. So this is the 4 time of the 3. This 12x is the 4 time of the 3. Okay, and 20 is the 4 time of the 5. Similarly, this 8 is the 4 time of the 2 and this is also 4 time of the 3. ये भी 4 टाइम है. तो here okay, solution x square plus 12x minus 20 upon x square plus 8x plus 12 upon 2x plus 3. Now we will multiply the both sides by 1 upon 4 so that this will become equals to the numerators second and third terms. जो denominator है वो उसके क्या हो जाए? Equal हो जाए. तो therefore x square plus 12x minus 20 upon 3x minus 5 into 1 upon 4. So this side also x square plus 8x plus 12 upon 2x plus 3 into 1 upon 4. Okay, when we multiply both sides by the same number, so the value doesn't change it. Value change नहीं होता. So we will apply this principle here. So therefore, now x square into 1, x square, 12x into 1 is equals to 12x, minus 20 into 1 is equals to minus 20. And here 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 12x, and 4 5s are 20. So it is minus 20. Similarly here x square into 1, x square into 1 is equals to x square. 8x into 1 is equals to 8x, 12 into 1 is equals to 12, and in denominator 4 2s are 8, so it will become 8x and 4 3s are 12. Now see, 12x minus 20, 12x minus 20 is same here, and here 8x plus 12, 8x plus 12 is same in the numerator, and the two terms in the numerator and two is both term of the denominator are equal. Now we want to find out the value of x. तो here we will eliminate these terms. इसको क्या करेंगे? Eliminate करेंगे. So now here to eliminate, here we want minus 12x, and here we want the plus 12x. So when we do the dividendo, so this will become minus 12x and this will become plus 20. तो by dividendo these two terms will eliminate. ये दो terms क्या होंगे? Eliminate हो जाएंगे. Okay, now see, by dividendo क्या करेंगे? By dividendo करेंगे. अब देखो यहाँ पे, तो in dividendo what will happen? X square plus 12x minus 20 minus 12x minus 20 upon 12x minus 20. So this is equals to x square plus 8x plus 12 minus 8x plus 12 upon 8x plus 12 by what? Dividendo. किसकी वजह से? ये dividendo की वजह से. तो what will happen? The bracket will open. क्या हो जाएगा? ब्रैकेट ओपन होगा, एंड व्हाट यू विल गेट हियर, यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा आपको ब्रैकेट ओपन होने के बाद? ओके, सी, द फर्स्ट टर्म एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 8x प्लस 12 माइनस 8x minus 12. Oh, sorry, I have written the left hand side. First you write down the right hand side. So x square plus 12x minus 20, and this plus and minus will become minus 12x, and minus will become plus 20 upon 12x minus 20. On the right hand side, x square plus 8x plus 12 minus 8x minus 12 upon 8x plus 12, 8x plus 12. ये हो गया. Now see this 12x, this minus 20 plus 20, 12, this 12 plus 8 minus 8 will get cancelled. So here it will left x square upon 12x minus 20, and here x square upon 8x plus 12. Okay, so this will remain on both sides. ये बचेगा दोनों साइड में. ओके, दोनों साइड में क्या बचेगा? एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 12x माइनस 20. तो यहाँ क्या बचेगा? एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 8x प्लस 12. ओके, नाउ सी, ओके, नाउ ये here x square is there. तो दिस x square will get cancel. ओके, ये क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो इसको इस साइड लेकर आएंगे अगर हम लोग, एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर, तो दिस विल गो ऑन दैट साइड. तो एक्स स्क्वायर विल गेट कैंसिल. तो क्या बनेगा हम लोगों को? ये इक्वेशन दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे. ओके, एंड इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 0, अगर x की वैल्यू क्या होती 0, तो क्या हो जाएगा, दिस होल वैल्यू विल बिकम 0, पूरा वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा 0. तो दिस इक्वेशन is true for x is equals to 0. Now here suppose you have substituted x is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, तो whole value will become 0, means both side will become equal. तो दोनों साइड क्या हो जाएंगे, इक्वल हो जाएंगे अगर x की वैल्यू क्या है 0. इट मीन्स इट्स वन सोल्यूशन इज 0. So therefore x is equals to 0 is a solution of given इक्वेशन. x की वैल्यू 0 एक इसका सॉल्यूशन है. नाउ इफ x नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, x की वैल्यू 0 नहीं हो तो x is not then what will happen, x स्क्वायर बन जा x स्क्वायर बन जा x स्क्वायर. अगर 1 की वैल्यू 0 नहीं है तो देन दिस विल बी 12x minus 20 is equals to x स्क्वायर अपॉन yes 8x plus 12. तो दिस x स्क्वायर बन जा x स्क्वायर बन जा x स्क्वायर, दिस विल गेट कैंसल, यू विल गेट 1 अपॉन 12x minus 20 and on this side 1 upon 8x plus 12. Now cross multiply, so here this will go on this side, so 1 into 8x plus 12 and this will go on this side, so 1 12x minus 20. So this is equals to 18x into 1 is equals to 8x, 12 into 1 is equals to 12, 1 into 12x and here minus 20. Now bring the same terms on the say 12x. Now bring this 8x on this side, so this will become minus 8x and here plus 12 is there and this will go this side, so this will become plus 20. Okay, minus क्या हो जाएगा plus, so this will 32 and here it is 4x because 12x minus 8x equals to 4x. So x is equals to 32 upon 4. तो 4 1 जा 4, 4 8 जा 32, तो x is equals to 8. x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, 8 आ गई. ओके, तो नाउ राइट डाउन द आंसर. अब क्या होगा आंसर, वन वैल्यू फॉर दिस सोल्यूशन इज 0 एंड सेकेंड वैल्यू इज इक्वल्स टू 8. ओके, तो नाउ राइट डाउन द आंसर. x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 8 are the solution of the given equation. Full stop. Okay, now let's see the second question. See the second question. In second question, 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 5x square minus 25x plus 12 is equals to 2x plus 3 upon x minus 5. Okay, so this is the question. So now see, in the denominator 5x square plus 15x plus 63 and here 2x plus 3, and in denominator it is 5x square minus 25x plus 12 and here x minus 5. Okay, so now see here we can take the common in between these two. ये दोनों के बीच में क्या ले सकते हैं, टू कॉमन ले सकते हैं हम लोग. तो now when we take the common, so here 5 will be common because 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. क्या दिख रहा है दोनों में, क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं हम लोग, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So 5 5 is common because here we want to eliminate the numbers so that we get the value of x. हम लोगों का पर्पज क्या है, x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना. ओके, तो नाउ सी हियर व्हाट इज कॉमन, 5 इज कॉमन. क्या कॉमन है, 5. तो हियर 5x इज कॉमन. नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज, इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं अभी हम लोग, सी here what will left with 5x is taken common, so 2x will left here and here the 3 will left plus 63 upon here also we can take the common. So here 5x is common and here what we left x and here what we left minus 5 because 5 5 are 25. 5 5 क्या होता है 25. So 5x is taken as common. So here x minus 5 will left plus 12 and here 2x plus 3. Here x minus 5. So now see 2x plus 3 is present on the left hand side and it is present on the right hand side. X minus 5 is present on the both sides of the equation. दोनों साइड में है. तो फॉर दैट वी कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट. इसके लिए हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर सकते हैं. 2x plus 3 is equals to a and x minus 5 is equals to b. So this will get converted into the simple form. Okay, जब सिंपल फॉर्म में आ जाएगा तो हम लोग क्या कर लेंगे उसका ये सॉल्यूशन करेंगे एंड देन लास्ट में अगेन हम लोग रीसब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. ओके, नाउ सी सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग 2x plus 3 is equals to a and x minus 5 is equals to b. x minus 5 is equals to b. ऐसे सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. Therefore this equation will become 5x and here 2x plus 3 will become a and here 63 upon here 5x x minus 5 will be b plus 12 and here a upon b. क्या हो जाएगा a upon b. Understood? ओके, नाउ यस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. अब क्या करना है क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. तो b will go on this side b and here 5x and now 5x into a is equals to 5xa plus 63 and this side yes a in bracket 5xb plus 12. Okay, now multiply 5x 5xab because a comes first and b comes later. So we have 5xab. So it is 5xab plus 63b